Hello my dudes, today we're going to be changing my Glock magazine base pad to a new Henning base pad that gives me an extended capacity of +5 rounds, and it's also prettier looking. So there's nothing wrong with this. This is 17 round regular standard Glock magazine, but of course we can always do better. And if you're shooting competition, an extra 5 rounds comes in clutch, believe you me. So for this project, we are going to need a couple of things. 5/32 pin punch. And we're gonna need a 3/32 seconds drill bit. This is from my Fitbit collection. It's actually a pretty cool set to have, and it doesn't let you over Turk, which is great. So I didn't realize this, but Glock magazines are actually one of the hardest magazine base pads to like take off, because I've taken off SIGs and Walthers and they just whoop and slide out, but no, this one's a little different. So that caught me a little by surprise. But anyway, all you gotta do is take this pin punch. We're just gonna stick it in there, jam it in there. And once it's in, gotta kind of this way, because we need the top part to come off. It has like an extra holding part here that some of the other guns don't have. Heard that? So once you have that, you're pretty good. And you can just slide it out. Slide it out. Make sure you're ready for the spring in case it's gonna pop out. But looks like we're good. Take out the old spring. You don't need this anymore. We're not gonna need the spring. We do need this. Take it off. So we got these two things that we need. I'm gonna open the new spring and base pad. New spring. Look how pretty this is. And they come in all sorts of colors. Super nice. I like it because it's not basic black, but it's not like some crazy color that, you know, I'll probably get bored of. So, very nice. First thing we're gonna do on the spring is we're gonna put the forward on top. So, this is the top part. You kind of want to hear it click in when you're attaching it. Yeah. So once that retention is there, it's not like huge retention, but it has a little bit of retention where you can hear it click in. There we go. So it's not loosey goosey. It's attached. Okay, so this is attached, and now we're ready to insert the spring inside the magazine, like so. So if it looks good to you, springy enough, and looks like it's pointed in the right direction, all that good stuff, we are ready for the next step, which is very easy. We're just gonna smash this down, insert this in, and we'll be good to go. One thing I do see here is that the nail that locks the base pad into place is a little bit higher than I need it to be to slide fully in and then lock it. So I'm gonna have to unscrew. Make sure it's a little bit lower than where it is, because if not, I'm not gonna be able to lock it in. Just a little bit, like that. All right, now the fun part. Okay, all right, just bringing it down here for a better visual perspective. No, I do not have a proper workspace, so bear with me. I'm gonna smush this down. Make sure we hold it in place. This is why I cannot have nice nails. And why not line up the sides of the inserts for the base pad. Trying to keep that spring down. You can slide it in. And voila, we're good. One last part. So now that you have it pretty much set in place, the last thing to do is take your drill bit here and tighten up the screw. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Let's go. Nice. Love it. I love it when the Fix-It Stick tells me, okay, it's hot enough. You don't need to go anymore. Beautiful. So, firearm is safe and clear for the internet RO police. And let's put her inside, see how she looks. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Oh, that's a whole nother, you know, that's a game changer, baby, right there. That look nice. Mama like, that look nice. She looking nice. Now, there's nothing wrong with this. This is perfect. Especially if you're doing like an everyday carry sort of thing. That's fine. But if you want some extra sauce, if you want a little extra sauce, extra bling, ta-da. Look at me now. Ooh, yeah. That's how we rollin'. And there she is, looking fire. So if you like my G47 setup, this is a C&H Precision optic. C&H Precision is a veteran-owned, veteran-operated company. They have great customer service. They will literally walk you through every step of the way, you know, in whatever you need. I have their, since this is a Gen 5, I did need the plate for my optic. And this optic is very similar to the Holosun 507C. And it's in a green dot. I prefer green because it's better on my eyes. I have run it for competition and it runs amazingly well. Highly recommend. They also have optics and plates for a bunch of other stuff, rifles. You got to go check them out. So go follow me at Lady Locked and Loaded. Go to my link tree. Go to where it says CHPWS, which is C&H Precision. And click on the link and go check out all their really cool, amazing stuff. Good customer service at very good prices. And if you enjoy this tomfoolery, please like, subscribe, and share for more. Till next time.